determined to defend her a while longer. While his sense of smell clearly tells him she's gone, leaving one lone 3-year-old. Our bison herd rushes to the place where one of their own has fallen, a female that died during labor. We gather to mourn the loss of our loved ones. Is it so difficult to imagine that bison may do the same? Tails are raised in distress by the sight of a wolf waiting in the wings. Eventually the herd begins to disperse. Perhaps a son, still grieving. And while the loss of life for one means survival for another,